Hello and welcome to Affinity. Here's an instant Van Gogh sky, you know, with all swirly stuff and so on. Well, maybe not instant, but pretty quick. So I'm just going to hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Then I'm going to go up to the filters, detect and detect edges, which gives us this sort of thing, and there's kind of the swirls are appearing in here, but hang on, we'll be there in just a minute. Overlay that to soft light, and what we're going to do now is go to that little thing up there, the blend ranges, and we're going to use this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of zoom into a bit of the sky up there so you can see a bit closer what's happening. And all I do is bring down the right hand graph like this and move it across here. And you can see the lines appearing, and as I get closer and closer to this they get more and more, but I get too far and they disappear. So near the end there, where you got sort of a distinct kind of swirliness in there, then I hit Ctrl 0 to go back out again, and I want to make that a bit more sort of super exaggerated. Then I'm just going to hit Ctrl J, and again and again and again, until I've got enough of that crazy Van Gogh sky. And there you are, kind of instant picture effect. How's that? Thank you very much for watching.